How to hire a database programmer successfully. By Procoders. Database developers are essential to the success of many companies. They create and manage the systems that allow companies to store and organize all of their information. This information can include contact information, customer lists, inventory, financial records, and more. In addition to creating databases, they also make sure that they are secure and efficient. They must be able to work with a variety of different programming languages and software programs. Who are database developers? Database developers are the engineers who develop the database management systems, DBMS, that run on computers. Why does any organization need to hire a database developer? It is because they design and implement database software. They analyze user needs and design the system to meet those needs. They may work with existing databases to make them more efficient or update them to reflect the latest technology. How to find a database development company and choose the best one. Industry fit. Database development is a complex process that requires specific knowledge about data storage, security, and retrieval, and inexperienced database development companies may not be able to meet your demands and needs. Make sure your chosen company has experience in designing and developing databases for your industry. References and reviews. Gather as much information about different vendors as possible. While rating companies on review platforms such as Clutch or freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr will help you to get familiar with the market leaders in your niche, it is essential to ask for references from the existing and previous clients to get a better idea of each company's services and quality. Training and experience. Find a database development solution such as Procoders that has a team of professionally trained and certified data architects and developers who have great experience in database solutions. The database developers should have adequate experience as well as technical knowledge to convert the ideas into a real-time system. Where you may hire a database programmer. Hiring a database developer by an outstaffing company. The main purpose of outstaffing and IT outsourcing is to provide highly qualified professionals with the required skill set to ensure the successful completion of IT projects within an agreed time frame. The team of professionals hired by the third-party contractors such as Procoders comes with a predefined skill set and experience in a certain kind of project or technology, in this case, database development. Hire a database programmer on Freelance. Hiring a database developer who is a freelancer can be a great option for those who do not have enough time or money to hire a database programmer as a full-time employee. If you are planning to hire a freelancer, you will find that there are many freelance programmers available on the market. However, in order to find the best one for your needs, you will have to do a bit of research. Tips on how to hire a database developer successfully. Technical skills. The developer should have the skills to design and create databases for your company, as well as repair or optimize existing databases. Technical skills also include data modeling, data extraction, and data organization, besides programming. Soft skills. Teamwork is essential to being a successful database developer. Database developers must have excellent interpersonal skills, and they should be able to express themselves clearly and concisely so that others can understand them easily. They should also have a keen eye for detail, must be thorough when it comes to documentation, and should be committed to quality and best solutions. Conclusion. A database programmer is a technical expert who can help you build or optimize your database and generally ensure that it is running at optimum efficiency. These programmers are in high demand these days, but if you are planning to hire one for your needs, then this article has explained more than a few things that you need to keep in mind. Subscribe our channel and read more about how to hire a database programmer successfully at Procoders blog.